Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Google Earth Pro is running and you have the imagery you need. Open the layers and ruler panels. Next, import your reference layer. Drag a KML/KMZ, GeoTIFF, or CSV with lat/long into the window so your base map aligns. Once done, visually check imagery date and resolution. Make sure historical imagery is toggled if you need older photos. This gets you immediately into digitizing with accurate reference data, rather than wasting time on trivial setup. You now create features. Click Add Placemark, Path, or Polygon and name each item. While drawing, zoom in close, typically between 50% and 200%, and nudge points with arrow keys for precision. This reduces jitter from mouse-only placement. Make sure to set style and label before finishing so symbology is consistent. Once a feature is drawn, add attributes in the description field to document details. Finally, export to KML/KMZ right away to lock in geometry and metadata. Complete the job by exporting your work. Select your folder and use File Save Place as to create a KML or KMZ and check coordinate precision in the file. If you need bulk edits, open the KML in a text editor or a GIS, make attribute changes, and re-import to verify geometry. If alignments shift, return to historical imagery or reproject the source raster and redigitize the problematic points. As a troubleshooting tip, keep incremental backups so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.